Wow, that's dope. That is dope. These are dope. Look at this. 34s. The PSGs, you guys. PSG lows. They go for the cheap too. They go for real cheap. What? What? That's crazy. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're back. We're back for another Nike outlet video. We're at the Citadel. I happen to be in East LA for work and whatnot. So I just figured, why not get another video, you guys? Because we're always looking for content here at Cool Kicks. So yeah, let's go look and see what's up. It is Thursday, 8:24. So yeah, let's see what we find, you guys. All right, here we are, you guys. Here we are. Let's go see if they got some sales. It's midweek. It's Thursday, midweek. See if they got any. Oh, I got 20% off the hash roll. 20%. Oh my goodness. Look at how empty it is compared to usual. You guys can tell I got my dope Kenneth Coles on it. Oh, yeah, it's a dress up for work today, so let's go see what's up. Let's go see what we can find. Oh, size 10. We're starting with the size 10F. Oh my goodness, look at this. 30% off with the Jordan 5, the Island Red. I said Island Red. Island Blue. Wow, that's dope. That is dope. And so let's see if we can get some flash on this thing. Oh, I don't think we can get flash on it, can I? Better? Dang it. One sec, let me try real quick. Oh, okay, we got that flash on now. Okay, look at that. That looks dope. That 3M. Look at that. Okay, so not on the tongue, but just pretty much all around. That's dope, you guys. That is dope. Dang, 9.5, you guys. 9.5, man. I'd be thinking about it if they had to get 10.5 of these, man. Or 10. Actually, 10. You know what? Let's try it out. These look dope with dress. These look dope with dress pants on. Look at that. Dope with some dress pants. Yeah, dude, they actually run slightly big. Guess the 5s run slightly big. I have one at home, but I won't be honest. I don't know have I put on my lanies? I don't know. But yeah, I actually technically could cop these, but I'm picking up the 4s. Or what the 4s in a couple days. On Saturday, I'm doing a what the 4s. I got a video coming out regarding that. So yeah, man. What these going for? $225 at 30% off, man. That's a steal. Steal, you guys. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I found these. That's crazy, you guys. Oh wow, they're the up-tempos, the Laker colorway. Oh, for 110, get 30% off too. Dang, that's a deal, man. That's a deal. I hate the fact that I can't buy nothing because need them what's it called? Need them what the 4s. What are these going for? $90. What the hell? Is that so expensive? That's crazy. Dang, they must have got a shipment of Pegasus Turbo 2s. Look at this. Turbo 2s. $100. And you get 30% off, man. Wow, this weekend's gonna be crazy. Look at these clots going for the Air Max 97 clots going for 110, dude. And you get 30% off. Damn, man, they're trying to get rid of everything for Black Friday. Uh-oh. Got some crazy deals. Wow. That's the second time we've seen these. These are dope. These are dope. Look at this. 34s. Yeah, it's a cool colorway too. See through that. The material's kind of see through too. This is dope. Wow. Go for retail, you get that 30% off. Go for retail, size 10. Wow. Air Max 200 going for $100, 30% off. 2017's going for $100, 30% off. That's too much. The smaller sizes, See a bunch of them clocks. See a bunch of the Air Max 200s. Got a few of these. You've seen these before. Air Shark Enigmas. So let's go for what, 135? I think that's retail, 30% off. Not much in the lower sizes, so let's move up, you guys. Dang, I'm tripping out. We already saw the Island Green 5s and the 33s here. That's 34s. My bad, 34s. Air Max Plus for 120. Okay, get that 20 off. Huh? Got some YouTube action here. YouTube, the KD12 YouTubes. Going for what? It's a size 10.5. Going for retail, you get that 30% off. And they keep going down, you guys. Pegasus Turbo, 85 bucks. 30% off, man. That's what's up.
Oh, you got all the yards?
We've seen these. This is interesting. They're scarns. They're scarns with some ACGs. Some ACGs. These are interesting. Size 12. Which is size 12. This is retail though. We got 30% off. Yeah, it's an interesting material. ACG, so you know it's going to be durable. And we go for that retail game, 30% off though. I guess I can't say retail game because 30% off. Is there a deal of the day or something? That's the Odyssey Rack 2 Flyknits going for dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. What's that, $56? Yeah, that's what's up. Alright, we made it to size 13. Nothing really standing out, you guys. Nothing really standing out. Got these Lakers.
They're bringing something out.
Up tempos.
Black and red and Jordan.
Up tempos. 95. Okay. Going for 110. Same deal. All right. Element 55 going for 90. A little bit high. Oh, I'm surprised they haven't given you guys extended sizing on this. Make it even cheaper. Dang, 85 bucks. Pegasus Turbos. 30% off. Whoa, size 13 people. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Do you guys know what this is? Alright, this will tell you. The PSGs, you guys. PSG lows. They go for the cheap too. They go for real cheap. Size 13. It's 13. Looking clean too. Yep, looking clean. Go for 90 bucks, man. 90 bucks. And you get 30% off. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's such a good deal for you guys. Wow. Wow, man. That's what's up. Multiple pair? Really? Multiple pair, you guys. That is nuts. That's nuts. That's a definite cop for your 13s, man. We just got a number 3, dude. That's awesome. A third pair. That's third pair. Size 13, fourth pair. Size 13, fifth pair. That's what's up, man. That is what's up. I don't know. Are people hating on these? How are there that many of these here? Like this don't make no sense. Is it leather? Is there something wrong with this one? Oh, okay. Is there something wrong with these? Like the leather? Leather's not the greatest. Leather's not the greatest. There's some satin on the back, satin on the top. So leather quality is kind of mediocre. But are the Jordan lows ever as good as the Jordan highs? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You guys, because the leather quality on those, not the greatest. It's not even a, you know what? It's not even a true leather. It's synthetic leather, and it's pretty hard, but it's probably really durable. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Got 5 of those, 5 pair of those. Even bigger size, they got Jordan 33, go for 70 bucks, size 16. Oh, okay, look at that, 150 for these size 18 cap and gowns. Why are they so expensive? That's crazy. Got the PSG ones, the huge sizes, and size 15 got the Pegasus Turbo. Don't forget to hit that like, you guys. Don't forget to hit that like, and make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Subscribe, press that notification button. Let's continue on. All right, let's start the aisles, you guys. Metcon 4s, pretty good price. Got the Gary Paytons, you guys. Gary Paytons, man. Going for retail? Damn, that seems high. Got some Tailwinds going for 80 bucks after the discount. Not bad. Air Max Plus going for what, 70? The Shocks NX going for what, 90 bucks? Air Max 95 going for way under 100 bucks. Or 97s, my bad. How did I say 95? Air Max 97s under 100 bucks, not bad. Okay, these are the Spiz Ikes that look pretty decent. So these are regular price at the retail shops. Not bad. 140 bucks, not bad. Jordan Trunners, what the hell? I have no clue what these are. Yeah, we can go for retail. Going for retail, man. 150, that's crazy. Jordan t-shirts, 15 bucks. More Jordan t-shirts, 15 bucks. Basketball shorts going for what? 35, we're getting another 30% off. Oh, these are pretty thick, not bad, not bad. T-shirts going on sale, what, 25 bucks? What's that come out to? 17.50? Not bad, get that 30% off. Let's go, the women and the kids upstairs. Let's go see what's up, guys. Let's see what's up. In the women's section, guys, Air Max 98, going for what, 100? 70, 30% off, so $70 total. Not a bad color. Got some Vomeros, 100 bucks, man. These are the ones you got for $28. Man, that's crazy. Definitely not seeing the heat in the women's section today, not like the men's. React Flyknits, Odyssey React Flyknits go for 60 bucks. 720s, Air Max 720s going for what, 105? Right, in the size 10.5, kind of bigger size, but look, Air Force Ones. Hey, it's all white. These are the, oh, these are kind of cool. It's a special version because this is not the regular version. What is this? Let me check. Got 2 Air logos on it. Interesting. Air Force One Shadows. Air Force One Shadows. Yeah. Looks like they're going for retail, 110. But you get that 30% off. Size, what, 10.5? Kind of big though, but yeah. They fit. What? Daybreak undercovers. Wow. Damn, that's what's up, man. These were sold out on the sneakers, aren't they? Dang. That's crazy. What size is this though? That's 10.5, which is equal to what, a 9 in men's? Not bad. This Vomero colorway go for 80 bucks. Significantly higher than the 28 that I paid. A different colorway though, but still, that's crazy. Alright, these Flyknit 3 Metcons go for pretty cheap. I don't know how much that is, but almost $20 off, so yeah, 45, 46 bucks, not bad. Any of you women look for boots? Any guys looking for boots? I don't know how I feel about these, man. I'm not digging these at all. I don't know, any of you guys digging these? Let me know, you guys. Let me know in the comment section. Air Max 200s. Air Max 200s going down in price. More Air Max 200s. Got some more coming. Alright, that's pretty much it in the women's section. Let's go check the guys. Let's go check the kids, you guys. What? Look what we got here in the kids, you guys. Size 7s. What? That's crazy. Kyrie 6 healed the world. Wow, that's crazy, guys. It's crazy seeing in person. And you get 30% off. That's just insane. That's insane. That's 30% off. The preheat, man. These are sold out. Actually, I don't know about the kids' colorway though, but that's crazy. That's crazy. Size 7 in the preheat, you guys, man. This is crazy. Kyrie preheats, size 7. So we got one of those right there. We got another one right there, size 7. That's crazy. Let me check the guys section just in case, man. That's crazy. Kids section, we got a little Air Force One action. These are the level 8s. Yeah, go for 40 bucks, 30% off. That's what's up, man. That's crazy. 90 bucks. What the hell, man? These were 50 bucks. I thought of this spot at the clearance center. That's crazy. Dang, these go for retail. These 8s have been at the clearance center forever. That's crazy. For way cheaper. So I think this is the last one, man. Legend React, 45 bucks. That's a steal. 30% off on top of that's a steal. Alright, man. This is a crazy sale, you guys. They had a lot of crazy stuff. That was nuts. To wrap it up, you guys. Time to wrap it up. Woo! Wow, man. Woo! Woo! They had some heat, you guys. They had heat. You know, I had to check if they had the preheats in like the adult sizes, the Kyrie 6 preheats, and yeah, they didn't have none. I checked for my boy Bosco. He's been looking for the size 13, so I had to ask around for him. But yeah, man, they had deals, you guys. They had deals. They had the Jordan Island Green 5. They had the preheats for the kids. Man, they had, wow, you guys. That's why you guys need to hit up these outlets. Going at weird times, that kind of helps too, because you know, you have to fight with the resellers and stuff. And you know, it's a Thursday. They start 30% off. That's what's up, you guys. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Make sure you press that subscribe button and also press that notification button as well. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.